Oh my god, I'm so bored right now. Let me just scroll for a bit. Bro, that means you can do anything you want. Yeah, but I don't know what to do. Instead of wasting your time scrolling, here are 8 things you can do when you're bored, starting with physical. By the way, if you watched the previous video I did on this, these are completely new things you can do when you're bored. First thing you can do when you're bored is to stretch. And I know what you're saying. What are you talking about stretching? Listen, I know you probably don't prioritize stretching, especially if you're young, you probably neglect it. But if you're bored and you got nothing else to do, then use this time to do something that's good for you, which is stretching. And here's a full stretching routine you can do right now. Start here, hip flexors, 30 seconds. Other side. Now take it back, lean forward, 30 seconds. Other side, feet together, lean down, 30 seconds. Hold. Go in a wide position like this, onto one side, stretch it out, 30 seconds. Other side, and finish it off with bridges. So start in this position, come under, go upwards, come back down, and repeat. Do that 5 times for 3 sets. Number 2 is a push-up game. This is the kind of things you see in the movies when you're locked in. Prisoners do this in their cells. Simply grab a deck of cards. Let me go outside and show you how it works. You're gonna grab a deck of cards. Whatever number you get is how many push-ups you have to do. So here I have 5 push-ups. Grab another card. It's a queen. Now the 10, the jack, the queen, and the king are all 10 push-ups. Grab another one, 4. And just keep doing that until you finish the deck of cards or until you can't do any more push-ups. Moving into mental, the first thing you can do under mental when you're bored is taking an IQ test. This is a good way to self-analyze your intelligence and test yourself to see what your IQ actually is. This is the website I recommend you do for a free IQ test. It'll take you about 25 to 30 minutes. Go through the questions and it'll tell you your IQ at the end. You can then compare it to the average IQ and see if you're above it or below it. And then you can retake it if you want to retest yourself and hopefully get a better score. And to put into perspective, the average IQ, regardless of your age or gender, is 100. So try to get better than 100. Number 2 under mental, and this is to develop your social skills, is to go on Monkey and to talk to strangers. This is a pretty unconventional thing to do, but this is something I used to do in the past when I wanted to develop my social skills and kind of step out of my comfort zone and get over that social anxiety that I had. If you haven't heard of Monkey, it's basically like Omegle. You go on and you speak to strangers all over the world. And because you're talking to strangers online, you can basically practice whatever you want. If you want to get better at comedy, if you want to develop your social skills, become more confident, you can ask questions. You can basically treat it like a video game and try to develop your social skills with it. Here's a little example of me just giving it a shot. I have a question for you, bro. Why are you on Monkey? Is it because you're bored?
I want to found Muslim people.
Okay, and just connect with people?
Yeah, connect with Muslim people, like religion. You know?
Yeah, that's really cool, bro. Now with the online world, you can make money online from your phone.
Yeah, bro, that's exactly.
Yeah, thank you, bro, and it was good meeting you, man.
Yeah, nice to meet you, bro.
Now jumping over to creative, the first thing you can do when you're bored under creative is making content. The whole process of making content is something that tests your creative skills, from filming to editing to posting the video. Here's what I recommend you do. Pick a niche, something that you're interested in. This can be fitness, this can be photography, this can be a specific video game that you're playing. And then you can choose to make a video either recording your face or making a faceless video where you're simply doing a voiceover and then adding overlay and post editing. And let's say you're posting on TikTok. You can either make it on a TikTok account that you already have, or you can make a completely different private account if you don't want your friends or family knowing about it. What's cool about this is that it allows you to stay creative. You're making a piece of content which either provides value or entertainment. And who knows, something that simply started as you being bored and making videos might turn into something more serious and full-time for you. And it can be absolutely anything. If you have a Lego set, you can do a time lapse of you building the Lego. Also, if you saw the last video I did on things to do when you're bored, I told you I had a Lego set that I hadn't built yet. Well, here it is. I built it, the Bugatti. Anyways, you can film yourself doing a reaction video, reacting to a music video, a YouTube video, a show, whatever it is. You can do a tutorial video showing the viewers how to do a specific workout, how to do a weird skill that you know how to do. Get creative with it and go through the process of making a video, filming, editing, and posting the video. The second thing you can do under creative is learning a new skill. Now, which skill that is, that's completely up to you. It can be a physical skill like trying to learn a new calisthenic skill such as a handstand. It can be learning editing skills and relating that to filming your piece of content. It could be an instrument. Let's say you had a guitar in your house that you've never touched in your life. Pick it up, watch a YouTube video and try to learn guitar. Or it could be learning a new language, and you can do this with Lingopie. You basically pick which language you're interested in learning, your age, your gender, etc. And then it curates specific shows and movies you can watch in that language, and it teaches you that language while you're watching that show or movie. So it shows you captions. You can click on these captions to learn the specific words. You can also join group classes where you're learning from an instructor on how to speak that language. You're taking tests and you're improving with that language over time. So it's basically mixing in both fun and entertainment with learning a new skill, which in this case is learning a new language. They did sponsor this video, and if you guys want to try out Lingopie, you can check out the link in the top of the description below or the pinned comment at the top. And a little fun fact, they say that people that are bilingual have better cognitive functions and have better multitasking skills. I personally speak English, French, and a little bit of Arabic, so I'll take that fact and I'll roll with it because it makes me feel good about myself. And finally, going into the last segment, financial. The first thing you can do under financial if you're bored is selling unwanted items. This is the only thing on this list that I've included in my past video as well, only because it's something extremely accessible. It's something anybody can do, but a lot of people neglect doing this. Here's the thing, you have plenty of unwanted items in your room simply collecting dust and space. Now you can take these items, take a simple picture of it and post it on Facebook Marketplace. And just like that, you'll turn an unwanted item that you never use or you were never going to use into cash that you can then spend on something else. This also teaches you sales and negotiation, because when you post something online, people are going to give you an offer. Then you have to negotiate a better price that works in your favor, go back and forth until you settle on a final price. And at the same time, it's going to allow you to clear up a bunch of random things in your room. And the final thing under financial is learning side hustle. Use this time you have right now to learn about ways to make money online, because let me tell you, we are living in a digital gold age right now where you can make money online in so many ways. You can learn about affiliate marketing, copywriting, SaaS, content creation, drop shipping, e-commerce. I also just made a video ranking the best or the worst side hustles to start in 2025, so you can check out this video right here. It's very informative. It'll introduce you to side hustles, how to start them, and how much you can make with these side hustles. Now get off YouTube and do something I mentioned in this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like and subscribe, and those post notifications on so you know exactly when I upload. And that's it. I will see you in the next video.